In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Shopify store to Framer so you can build e-commerce websites using the Frameship plugin. So first things first, let's open Frameship inside of Framer and let's click on Get Started. Now you'll get taken through this onboarding process here. We can press on Continue. We can select which one best describes us. Click on to continue again. Now you can either start from a template, which we have many you can choose from, or in this case, let's start from scratch. Now we can either connect an existing store, create a new store, or if you just want to play around and use some demo data, you can use a demo store. But in this case, we already have a store set up that we want to connect, so we'll click on Connect an Existing Store. Now you'll notice we need two things here. We need a Shopify store URL and we need the public access token. So to do this, we're actually going to install the Shopify headless app. So we'll click on this and we're going to go to install. And you'll notice that now we have this headless app, which is by Shopify, inside our Shopify store. And what I'm going to do is press on Create Storefront. Okay, great. Now let's go into Storefront API and let's click on Manage. And let's click on Edit under the Storefront API permissions because we also need to make sure that we have checked unauthenticated read product inventory so that data can be sent to Framer also. And that's it. Now, what we need to do is copy this public access token here. So we'll copy that. We'll go back to Framer and we'll paste that in here. And the other thing that we need is our Shopify store URL. So again, if I go back to Shopify here, if I click down to my settings, you'll notice at the top left here, you can usually find your Shopify store URL. Again, we'll copy that, we'll go back to the Frameship plugin and we'll paste that in and we'll click on Connect My Store. And just like that, our Shopify store has now been connected to Frameship. And the last thing we need to do is actually sync the products to our CMS. So we'll go to the Framer CMS here and we'll open the Frameship plugin once again. And we'll give this collection a name. You can call this whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it My Store. And we're going to click on Create. Now, if you want to use any custom fields or meta fields, you can do that here. But by default, everything should work just fine. And the last thing I need to do is press on Sync Products. And just like that, you can now see that all of my products from Shopify are now synced correctly inside my Framer CMS.